Hey guys, good morning. Yes, in the first part of Google Ads, we saw that how to set up an account, how to choose a keyword, and how to start a campaign. We also learned that we have different type of campaigns. In that, now we are learning about search campaigns. Okay, in search campaigns, we understand that how to research keywords, how to set up a campaign, what is campaign, what is ad group, and what is ads. So we saw up to ad groups. This is ads. So ads, we have couple of different attributes. Okay, so we are going to see what are that, like site links, call outs, location mapping, lead forms, and many more. So please watch this video fully. If you want to understand better, go to my part 1 video, watch it fully, then you come back here to understand better. Hi, this is Alagar Raja from Digitify, your digital marketing partner. So if you have any questions related to Google Ads, you can mail to me or you can do a WhatsApp. We will help you out with a free consultation. If you are running Google Ads but you are not getting any results, or you are not able to get result what you expected, then we will give you a 30 minutes free Google audit, so that we will give you what are the improvements you can do. It is absolutely free. Okay, right. We'll go to the part 2 of Google Ads, how you can set up Google Ads and what are the attributes, things should be mandatory to run your campaign effectively. So let's jump into the campaign details and see how we can set up all those things to run effective ROI driven Google ad campaign. Okay, yes. In ads, we have option called site links. So you can see what you mean by site link. Site links are below the ad. So below the ad or ad descriptions, you can able to see couple of informations like what are all your unique selling points. So that you can able to put it over here, so that whoever coming to your ad can able to understand what is your unique selling proposition, so that people will get attracted towards it. For example, placement assistance available. So this ad I am setting it for one of our training institutes, so that we are mentioning their unique selling proposition is basically how they give placement to the students whoever completing the courses. Because once you complete any learnings, you want to implement it. For implementing, you need a job. Okay, so that is what they are giving, and that is a USP. Okay, after that you can add up to 4 to 5 site links, so that Google will select whichever is the best clicked site links. Okay, so and then you have descriptions. You need to add at least 4 descriptions, so that the description will be read by your traffic, then they will come into your ads. So there are all other details like callouts, lead forms. So now we will see what is callouts. Callouts is what you achieved in your previous things. So you can put it whatever it is. Callouts basically your reviews, your any other course features or benefits. For example, they have a pay after placement, and your course next batch start date, that you can mention, so that people will click that and they come to your ads. So basically calling out them to click it and come to and see what it is. Then that call out will give a trust, then they will become your lead. Okay, hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can mail to me. Then here we are adding the keywords. Okay, there are 3 different type of keywords. One is broad match, exact match, and phrase match. If you want to know about matches, then you please go and watch my keyword learn video, so that you can able to understand what are the keyword types available in Google Ads. Okay, yes. So here ads, you can add up to 5 ad types. At least you should have 2 to 3 ad sets. Basically it is a different type of ad descriptions, call outs, and site links, so that Google will choose which is the best performing ads, so that Google will optimize your campaign to that particular ad to click more and more people to your ads. Okay, and next, once you set up that, then you have a budget. You can fix your budget, or you can go with recommended budget of Google. Google will recommend the budget based on your competitors, whoever spending the cost. It will take that and it will suggest you what is the best cost to be, budget to be given to the Google ads campaign. Okay, now we are setting up custom budget because we have a limited budget. This is a testing kind, so I am giving, so we are keeping as low as possible to understand how Google ads is working for this particular business. Okay, so you can set up maybe from 200 rupees to 2000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. You can set, so that is not a problem. It is based on your budget. So if you have good budget, then you can able to compete with other competitors and you can get good traffic and good quality leads. If you have very less budget, then maybe your quality of leads may reduce because your competitors are competing with you with higher budget. So finally, this is, I'm getting confirmed because I am creating for my client, so it is asking me to authenticate because it's another person's account. Okay, so it's normally comes if you use your own account, you will not get this kind of pop-up. If you are getting with other account, you will be getting this kind of pop-ups. Okay, so you will not get this authentication if you are not doing any major changes. This is a client's account, so I'm getting this authentication. So once I approve this authentication, then I will be going into the account and it will show me the what are the next step we have to do it. Okay, so see, you have to be very clear what kind of budget you have to keep for your industry. If you want to understand which industry you are doing it, please go through Google Help. You will find out what are your industry standards in click-through rate or cost per lead, cost per action, everything. So based on that, you please set up your budget. If you keep very low budget, you will not get better results. You need to keep a competitive budget so that you can able to get a better result from your Google Ads campaign. Okay, so we set the budget. Now campaign is ready to publish, so it's loading. So until then, if you have any doubts or any account which is not performing with you, you can reach out to us. We will audit it and we will help you to optimize the account so that you will get better ROI from your Google Ads. Okay, and if you have any doubts or any Google ad related questions, you can email me. We will also support you and we will clarify you through email also. So you should have good internet connections, Wi-Fi connections to see the Google dashboard fastly, otherwise it will take so much time to load because there are a lot of attributes to be worked on in Google Ads. So if you have a very good system, high configuration system and good Wi-Fi, either 4G or 5G, so you can able to see the loading very fast. Okay, this is just a demo account and I just want to record this, so I have used my little less configuration things, so don't worry. So once this campaign is get set, then we can able to see what kind of how it looks like. Okay, yes, now once it is finished this campaign setup, it is asking me to fix the issue. Your ad has issue that will prevent it showing on Google search. Fix your ad. So if everything is okay, it will go for publish. If not, it will show you a error. Okay, it will ask you to fix it. So let's see what is the error, then we will fix it. You can go and click the view button and you can see what is the error you are getting. If you have to clear all those errors so that Google will go to a couple of checks, then it ensure that yes, all the attributes are correct, then it will publish the campaign, then only your ads will show to the people who are searching for that particular keyword. So basically Google Ads will work for any industry, but you should have a right approach to set up the campaign and have the right keywords, right budget, right target audience to target your audience to attract to your ads. Okay, so I am seeing that what is the error it is coming. There are two errors you can able to see there. There are two red marks is coming, so we need to go and fix it. What is that error? So we will be going to see and fix what error we are getting. Yes, your ad has issue that prevent it from showing on Google search. So we are going to see what is the error. So under keywords there is ads, and ads is telling what problem we have. So we are going and checking what issues we are going to get, or what issue is restricted by Google to publish our ads. Okay, yes, it is restricting due to some error, so we are checking that errors. So sometimes if you use a special character in the keywords, you cannot able to it will not accept. So ensure that in keywords you do not have any special characters into the keywords. Then you also check that in headlines you have exactly 30 letters as a headline. Okay, so please check everything very perfectly, then only Google will accept you to publish the ads. So till our ad shows same, so we are working on that, and we are seeing what is the problem we are facing. Yes, there are this value is too long, shorten it. So we are trying to shorten it, means it is more than 30 letters, so it's trying to, we try to short it. Again it is showing error. Once we click publish, again it is showing error in the ads. So we are trying to edit the ads, so we will find out what is the error it is coming. See, the value is too long, shorten it kind of thing it is coming. So we will see what is that. So there are, so now ads has been fixed, and again we are checking for errors. Again we are getting this issue, and again we are going and checking what is the problem. Maybe we might be having issues with anything else, so we are checking out. Yes, we have a problem of one policy finding. Policy finding means in headline we should not use any special characters like hyphen or something, and you should not keep any space, white spaces. You should have a right spaces, should not excessive spacing. So if you have excessive spacing also, you cannot able to run ads, or you cannot able to launch the campaign. So ensure that you do not have any space, white spaces. Okay, so I am checking it out, checking whether any spaces are available. Yes, I am clearing it out, and it is telling that, see, you can able to see that whenever you have a policy problem violation, it will show you, so that based on that you can take some actions. Okay, so still there is an error, so I am correcting one by one, and here it is hands hyphen on, so that I am getting it getting corrected. Yes, here also hands hyphen on is there, so we'll see how it works. Again it is showing error. We will continuously monitoring that, and we are also checking it. So we are correcting one by one. So if you make changes according to Google suggestions or Google errors what it is showing, then it will ready to publish. Okay, so I am changing one by one. If there are any white spaces or special character which is not allowed by Google, then you should not use that characters. So ensure that you are using the right descriptions where it is attracted towards your audience. So have a compelling ad descriptions and ad headlines. So there is an option, pin option. So if you want to pin your ads or pin your descriptions to come in the first always, you can pin it like 1 2 3 4, so that whenever ad shows to somebody when respect to your keyword targeting, then if you pin as 1, then that particular description will always come in the first location. Okay, so ensure that if you want you can pin it. Google will suggest do not pin it, so that Google will select the best performing ad description. Okay, so you can go with Google's recommendation, or you can decide on your own if you have good experience in running Google ads. Okay, so don't bother whether Google is giving a recommendation or not. You ensure that it is suitable for your audience, for your business, because you know your audience and business better than Google. Only thing is, Google is a tool which we are using to target our audience. Do not only rely on Google. recommendations. Okay, it is not mandatory until it is a major roadblock or bottleneck for Google to run your ads or perform your ad campaigns. Okay, yes, because always Google will give recommendations to you, so that is not a big deal. If it is useful for your business and your audience, you can use it, or else you do not want to use it. So there is no big crime if you are not using it. Okay, fine. Yeah, my battery is low. Yes, I'm charging it now. So we have another couple of steps so that we can able to see our campaign will be ready. Then you can launch your campaign happily. Yes. Hope this video will be useful for you to set up your own campaign. So right now we are learning only search campaigns. We have another 4-5 type of campaigns like PMax, Performance Max, display campaign. Basically it's a demand gen, video campaigns, smart campaign. Okay, so there are different type of campaigns. You can use it for anything. And you also have a shopping campaign. If you have an e-commerce business and you are able to deliver it, you have a cash on delivery or courier delivery. If you are running an e-commerce business, you can use shopping ads. It is one of the most effective ad for e-commerce businesses. You can leverage through Google and take your maximum ROI, because I am seeing a lot of my couple of clients and my friends are using e-commerce shopping ads through Google, and they are getting lots of orders. But you should be very clear on structuring your store and other things. Okay, so shopping campaign we will cover in this series, so please wait and watch this space. Subscribe to my channel to understand more about Google Ads. So I published it, I have corrected all the errors, I am published it. I did not show much error. What are the errors? I have corrected it because it's taking so much time. So you can go through this video repeatedly, you can find it out what are the errors we have made it or we have cleared it. Yes, now yes, we are waiting to launch our campaign successfully. I hope the campaign will get launched immediately. So let's see. So campaign is ready. Now we are ready to publish our campaign. Great. So it's publishing, it's loading. Google is one of the most effective way to get your ROI for your paid ads. So if you want to grow your business faster, then you can leverage Google Ads, but you should be very clear which keyword, which location and which audience you need to target it. So now our campaign is ready. You can able to see that. So there will be a 4 checkpoints it will be showing in the process. So one is create campaign, policy, it is in policy review, it will take 1 or 2 days. If it is newer account, if it is already ad running account, it will take only just 3 to 4 hours. Then once you start getting impression, it will show the impressions. Then here also a couple of 8 parameters it will show. From here itself, from this dashboard overview itself, you can see what are the problems you are facing in the Google Ads campaign. Okay, so everything is good now. Only account status limited because we did not load any money into that. Once I load money, this is also will become active and it will show in green. Okay, no other major. If you have a major problem, then it will show in the red color in the overview of the statuses. Okay, so we are targeting a couple of locations. So yes, this is one of the company which we are running. So we got couple of clicks before I run this ad, and we got couple of clicks, 29 clicks, 349 impression, and the average CPC is cost per click is 16 rupees 24 pice, and overall cost spent is 47. Because this is a little competitive space business, so our minimum CPC is 16 rupees. So it may increase to 100-200 rupees, but it is based on your business niche, competition and your competitors. So ensure that you are selecting the right keywords if you want to compete good with your competitors, or you start with very less CPC keywords, test it slowly and you can understand it, then you can put big budget to get better ROI. So we have launched it. It will go to 5 days or 7 days of learning phase, where it's bit strategy learning. It will learn about your audience, learn about your copy, learn about your keywords, learn about your budget, learn about your competition. And once it become, you started getting conversions, then it started running ads efficiently. Once this go out of learning phase, then you can optimize the campaign better. Until it goes out of learning phase, don't do much changes. And you also can change your keyword type by coming here, by selecting all the keywords, come to change match types. So you can find it out, change all match types. So I was putting in broad match. Broad match is a broader targeted keyword type. So if you want to understand what is broad match, you can go and watch my video about keyword lessons. Okay, so now it's everything will change to phrase match. You can see it has been changed to phrase match. If it is in double quote, then Google has considered this as a phrase match. Okay, hope you have understood how to set up a Google Ads or a search campaign. If you have any questions, you can mail me or you can call to us. Our number is displayed below, so that you can call us for your free ad consultation or free ad audit, campaign audit, so that we will give you 30 minutes you will spend in your account, and we will give you good recommendations to you to improve your performance, ad performance. Okay, yes, now it is enabled. We have given maximum conversions. I have only put up only one type of ad, so you can put 2-3 ads, so that Google will take at least best performing ads to show to your target audience. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please watch both of my parts, part 1 and part 2, to understand how to set up Google search campaign. If you have any doubt, then reach to me. We will help you. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm happy that this will be helpful for you. If you want to get free lessons about Google Ads and Facebook Ads, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comment, so that we will try to give you best resource. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day, man.